Welcome back to Software Hub. If you want to try Linux on your Windows PC without deleting Windows or making a dual boot setup, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to install and run Linux Mint inside VirtualBox step by step. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and perfect for learning Linux safely. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, open any web browser and search for Linux Mint. From the search results, open the official Linux Mint website. Here you will see 3 different editions of Linux Mint. The first one is Cinnamon Edition, which is modern, smooth, and comes with all the latest features. The second is XFCE Edition, which is lightweight and better for very old PCs. The third is Mate Edition, which gives a more classic desktop experience. In this tutorial, let's download the Cinnamon Edition because it is the most popular version and provides the best overall experience for most users. Scroll down and click any mirror link to start the download. After the download is complete, open a new tab and search for Oracle VM VirtualBox. Open the official website and download the Windows host version. Also download the VirtualBox extension pack because it unlocks extra virtualization features and improves compatibility with devices and system functions. Once all files are downloaded, open the folder where you saved them and run the VirtualBox installer. Install it normally by following the setup steps. After the installation is complete, double-click the extension pack file and click Install inside VirtualBox to add the extra features. Now click the New button inside VirtualBox. Here you have to give your virtual machine a name like Linux Mint. After that, choose the location where you want to save the virtual machine files. I recommend creating a separate partition for it because virtual machines can become very large over time, especially if you install apps or games inside them. To do that, right-click on the Windows icon and open Disk Management. Select a partition that has enough free space, click Shrink Volume, and create a new partition. You can name it Linux Mint for better organization. Now go back to VirtualBox and select this new partition as the VM location. Then choose the Linux Mint ISO file that we downloaded earlier. After that, uncheck the unattended installation option because we want to manually configure Linux Mint step by step. Now open the virtual hardware settings. Here you should assign half of your RAM to the virtual machine. For example, if your PC has 8 GB RAM, selecting 4 GB is a good balance because it allows both Windows and Linux Mint to run smoothly together. Also set half of your CPU cores. This helps improve Linux Mint performance without slowing down your main Windows system too much. Then enable EFI because many modern Linux distributions work more smoothly with UEFI boot mode. After that, set the virtual hard disk size according to the partition size you created earlier. Leave some free space on the actual partition because filling it completely can reduce performance. Once the virtual machine is created, do not start it yet. Right-click on it, open Settings, and go to the Display section. Increase the video memory to 128 megabytes. This helps improve animations, UI smoothness, and overall graphic performance inside Linux Mint. Now start the virtual machine and select the first boot option. The first boot may take a little time because Linux Mint is loading all its files for the first time. You will notice that Linux Mint is running in live mode first, which means you can test the operating system before installing it permanently on the virtual disk. On the desktop, open the Install Linux Mint icon. Select your language and keyboard layout. Then check the Install Multimedia Codecs option because it improves support for videos, music, and many online media formats. Without these codecs, some websites or media files may not work properly. Continue the setup and select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Do not worry, this only formats the virtual hard disk inside VirtualBox, not your real Windows drive. This option is easier and cleaner for beginners because Linux Mint automatically handles the storage setup. After that, select your time zone, create your username and password, and continue. The installer will now copy files and install system components. Keeping your internet connected during this process is helpful because Linux Mint can download updates and additional drivers automatically. Once the installation is complete, restart the virtual machine. If it asks to remove the installation media and press Enter, simply press Enter. Now Linux Mint will boot normally instead of opening the installer again. You can see the installation icon is removed from the desktop, which means Linux Mint is successfully installed. Now you can start exploring Linux Mint. It already comes with useful applications like Mozilla Firefox for browsing the internet. You can also install other software easily whenever you want. Overall, Linux Mint is one of the best Linux distributions for beginners because it is lightweight, user-friendly, stable, and works very well even on older PCs. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.